In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions commonly asked during childcare assistant interviews. Preparing for these questions can help you stand out as a candidate in this rewarding field. We will also provide insightful answers and tips to help you articulate your qualifications and experiences effectively. With this guidance, you'll be better equipped to impress potential employers in the childcare sector. 1. What inspired you to pursue a career in childcare? I have always had a passion for working with children, stemming from my early experiences as a babysitter and volunteer at local youth programs. Witnessing the joy and curiosity that children bring to the world motivated me to explore a career where I could positively impact their lives. I believe that early childhood is a crucial time for development, and I want to play a role in nurturing their growth. My enthusiasm for fostering a supportive environment where children can learn, play, and thrive has been a driving force in my career choice. 2. How do you ensure the safety of children under your care? Ensuring the safety of children under my care involves a multifaceted approach. First, I conduct regular safety drills and training to prepare for emergencies, ensuring that children understand procedures. Additionally, I maintain appropriate adult-to-child ratios, allowing for better supervision. I also educate children about safety rules in a fun, engaging manner, so they become aware of their surroundings. Open communication with parents about safety protocols builds trust and reinforces a collective commitment to keeping children safe. 3. Describe your experience working with different age groups of children. In my previous roles, I have had the pleasure of working with infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-aged children. Each age group presents unique challenges and joys. With infants, I focused on nurturing and developing basic motor skills. Toddlers required patience and guidance as they explored their environments, while preschoolers thrived on structured activities that encouraged socialization and creativity. I also engaged with school-aged children through after-school programs, helping them with homework and fostering teamwork during group activities. This diverse experience has equipped me with the skills to adapt my approach to meet the needs of each age group effectively. 4. How do you handle a situation where a child is not participating in an activity? When a child is not participating in an activity, I first approach them with understanding and empathy. I ask open-ended questions to explore their feelings and interests, ensuring they feel heard. Sometimes, children may feel overwhelmed or uninterested in the current activity. By offering alternative options or modifying the activity to align with their interests, I encourage their engagement. I also try to involve peers, as sometimes children feel motivated to join when they see their friends participating. Creating a supportive environment is key to fostering participation. 5. What strategies do you use to manage challenging behaviors in children? Managing challenging behaviors in children requires a thoughtful approach. I use positive reinforcement to encourage desired behaviors while establishing clear and consistent rules. When a child exhibits challenging behavior, I first assess the situation to understand what might be triggering it. I employ redirection techniques, offering alternative activities to engage the child constructively. Communication is key. I talk with children about their feelings, helping them express themselves appropriately. Collaborating with parents also plays a crucial role in creating a consistent approach at home and in the childcare setting. 6. How do you communicate effectively with parents about their child's progress? Effective communication with parents is essential for fostering a strong partnership in a child's development. I schedule regular meetings and provide updates through newsletters or digital platforms to keep parents informed about their child's progress. During conversations, I focus on being clear and positive, highlighting achievements while also discussing areas for improvement. I encourage parents to share their observations and concerns, creating an open dialogue. Using specific examples from the child's activities helps to provide context, making it easier for parents to understand their child's growth and needs. 7. What educational activities do you like to plan for children? In my childcare setting, I enjoy planning a variety of educational activities that promote learning through play. For example, I incorporate interactive storytelling sessions where children can engage with the narrative, acting out parts or creating their own endings. I also organize hands-on science experiments that spark curiosity, such as growing plants or simple chemical reactions using safe materials. Additionally, I like to include music and movement activities that encourage coordination and rhythm, making learning a dynamic experience. 8. How do you promote inclusivity and diversity in a childcare setting? Promoting inclusivity and diversity in a childcare setting involves creating an environment where every child feels valued and respected. This can be achieved by incorporating diverse cultural materials into the curriculum, such as books, music, and art from various backgrounds. Celebrating different cultural holidays and traditions helps children appreciate diversity. Encouraging open discussions about differences fosters understanding and empathy. Additionally, ensuring all activities are accessible to children of varying abilities and backgrounds is essential for creating an inclusive atmosphere where every child can thrive. 9. Describe a time when you had to handle an emergency situation involving a child. In one instance, I was supervising a group of children at the playground when one child fell and injured their knee. The child was in visible pain and began to cry. I quickly assessed the situation, ensured the other children were safe, and approached the injured child calmly. I applied basic first aid, reassuring the child while tending to their wound. I also contacted the parents to inform them and ensured the child was comfortable until they arrived. This experience reinforced the importance of staying calm and prepared in emergency situations, as well as the need for effective communication with both children and parents. 10. How do you maintain a clean and hygienic environment for children? To maintain a clean and hygienic environment for children, I prioritize regular cleaning schedules for toys, surfaces, and common areas. I ensure that all items used by children are sanitized frequently, especially high-touch surfaces like doorknobs and tables. Children are taught about hand-washing techniques and the importance of cleanliness, making it a routine part of their day. Additionally, I monitor the environment for any hazards and ensure that spills are promptly cleaned up. Using non-toxic cleaning products is essential for safety, creating a healthy space for children to explore and thrive. 11. What is your approach to potty training? Potty training is a significant milestone for children, and my approach focuses on patience and encouragement. I create a supportive environment where children feel comfortable and confident. I introduce potty training when children show readiness signs, such as staying dry for longer periods or expressing interest in the toilet. I use positive reinforcement, such as praise and small rewards, to celebrate successes. Consistency is key, so I work closely with parents to establish routines at home and in the childcare setting, ensuring a seamless transition for the child. Communication with parents helps reinforce the process. 12. How do you balance the needs of multiple children simultaneously? Balancing the needs of multiple children requires keen observation and prioritization. I assess each child's emotional and physical needs, ensuring that every child feels valued. Using a structured routine helps children know what to expect, which minimizes anxiety and chaos. I encourage teamwork through group activities, allowing older children to assist younger ones, fostering a sense of community. Regular check-ins with each child during activities ensure no one feels overlooked. Open communication and adaptability are key, allowing me to adjust plans based on the children's moods and needs. 13. What do you consider to be the main characteristics of a 4-year-old child? 4-year-old children are typically characterized by their boundless curiosity and energy. They are developing strong social skills, often engaging in cooperative play and beginning to form friendships. At this age, children exhibit remarkable language development, expressing themselves with greater clarity and expanding their vocabulary. They also display a growing sense of independence, often wanting to do tasks by themselves. Emotionally, they may experience a wide range of feelings and can be sensitive to the emotions of others, making empathy a budding skill. Their imaginative play becomes more complex, reflecting their understanding of the world around them. 14. How do you handle conflicts between children? Conflicts between children are natural and can often provide valuable learning experiences. I first assess the situation to understand the root cause of the conflict. It's crucial to intervene calmly and fairly, helping the children express their feelings and perspectives. Encouraging them to use I statements fosters communication and empathy. I guide them in finding a solution together, promoting cooperation and problem-solving skills. Afterward, I follow up with each child to ensure they feel heard and supported, reinforcing positive behaviors and conflict resolution strategies for the future. 15. Describe your experience working with children who have special needs. Working with children who have special needs has been a rewarding aspect of my career. I've had the opportunity to collaborate with specialists to create individualized education plans tailored to each child's needs. This experience has taught me to adapt activities to ensure inclusivity, using various teaching methods like visual aids and hands-on activities. Building strong relationships with the children and their families is crucial. It fosters trust and communication. I focus on celebrating small achievements, which helps boost their confidence and encourages participation in group activities. Engaging with these children has enhanced my empathy and patience, making me a more effective caregiver. 16. How do you stay up to date with the latest childcare practices and regulations? Staying informed about the latest childcare practices and regulations requires a proactive approach. I regularly attend workshops, webinars, and conferences focused on child development and safety standards. Joining professional organizations and subscribing to relevant journals also helps me access current research and best practices. Networking with fellow childcare professionals allows for sharing insights and experiences. Additionally, I follow reputable online resources and government guidelines to ensure compliance with regulations, which aids in providing the best care for children. 17. What would you do if you suspected a child was experiencing abuse? If I suspected a child was experiencing abuse, I would first ensure the child's immediate safety, providing a calm and supportive environment. It's vital to document any signs or disclosures carefully, maintaining confidentiality. I would then follow the child care facility's protocols, which typically involve reporting my concerns to the designated safeguarding officer or relevant authorities. This ensures that trained professionals can investigate and provide necessary support. Throughout the process, I would continue to offer emotional support to the child, reassuring them they are safe and cared for. 18. How do you create a nurturing and emotionally secure environment for children? Creating a nurturing and emotionally secure environment involves several key practices. First, I prioritize building strong relationships with each child by actively listening and showing genuine interest in their feelings and experiences. Consistency is crucial. I establish clear routines that provide children with a sense of stability and predictability. I also implement positive reinforcement strategies, celebrating their efforts and achievements to boost their self-esteem. Additionally, I create a welcoming atmosphere by encouraging open communication, allowing children to express their emotions freely, and fostering a sense of belonging through inclusive activities. 19. What is your approach to discipline in a childcare setting? Discipline in a childcare setting focuses on guiding children towards understanding appropriate behavior rather than punishment. I believe in setting clear expectations and consistently reinforcing them. When a child misbehaves, I first talk to them about why their behavior is not acceptable, ensuring they understand the consequences of their actions. Positive reinforcement is key. I praise good behavior to encourage repetition. I also implement age-appropriate consequences that promote learning rather than fear, fostering a supportive environment where children feel safe to express themselves and learn from their mistakes. 20. How do you incorporate physical activity into the daily routine? Incorporating physical activity into the daily routine is essential for children's development. I plan a variety of engaging activities, such as outdoor playtime, obstacle courses, and group games that encourage movement. Structured activities like dancing or yoga can also be fun and beneficial. I ensure that each child has the opportunity to participate by adapting activities to suit different abilities. Additionally, I incorporate movement throughout the day, such as short breaks for stretching or quick exercises, to keep energy levels high and promote a healthy lifestyle. 21. Describe a situation where you had to deal with an upset parent and how you handled it. When I encountered an upset parent who was concerned about their child's progress, I approached the situation with empathy and active listening. I invited them to a private space to discuss their concerns in detail. During our conversation, I acknowledged their feelings and reassured them that their child's well-being was my priority. I provided specific examples of the child's strengths and progress while discussing strategies we could implement to support their learning. Together, we developed a plan, and I encouraged open communication moving forward, which helped rebuild trust and collaboration. 22. How do you foster creativity and imagination in children? To foster creativity and imagination in children, I create an environment that encourages exploration and self-expression. I provide diverse materials such as art supplies, musical instruments, and open-ended toys that inspire creative thinking. I also plan activities that promote imaginative play, like storytelling sessions and role-playing games. Encouraging children to express their thoughts and ideas freely is essential. I ask open-ended questions, allowing them to think critically and explore solutions. Regularly showcasing their creations helps build confidence and appreciation for their imaginative efforts. 23. What is your experience with preparing meals and organizing mealtimes for children? In my previous roles, I have taken on the responsibility of planning nutritious meals that cater to children's dietary needs and preferences. I often collaborate with parents to understand any allergies or specific requirements. During mealtimes, I create a structured yet relaxed environment that encourages children to try new foods. I engage them in conversations about nutrition, helping them learn while they eat. Organizing mealtimes involves setting up the dining area, ensuring cleanliness, and teaching children proper table manners, which contributes to a pleasant mealtime experience. 24. How do you handle a situation where a child is consistently dropped off late? When a child is consistently dropped off late, I first approach the situation with empathy and understanding. I would have a private conversation with the parents to discuss any challenges they might be facing that contribute to the late drop-off. It's important to listen actively and offer support, whether through flexible scheduling or resources. I would also emphasize the importance of routine for the child's well-being and learning experience. Together, we can establish a plan that encourages timely arrivals, ensuring the child feels secure and included in daily activities. Communication and collaboration with parents are key. 25. What do you find most challenging about working in childcare, and how do you address these challenges? Working in childcare can be incredibly rewarding, but it does come with its challenges. One of the most difficult aspects is managing the emotional needs of both children and parents. Balancing these needs requires patience and strong communication skills. I address this challenge by establishing open lines of communication with parents, ensuring they feel heard and supported. Additionally, I focus on creating individual connections with each child, which helps them feel secure. By implementing structured routines, I can better manage the dynamic environment and ensure that all children receive the attention they need. In navigating the interview process for a child care assistant position, being prepared with thoughtful responses to common questions can significantly enhance your chances of success. Understanding the expectations and demonstrating your passion for childcare will set you apart as a candidate. As you approach your interview, remember to convey your experience, adaptability, and commitment to fostering a nurturing environment for children. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more valuable insights and tips. Your support helps us create more content for you.